Just a little reminder that your hugs for the Hug for Happiness project are due June 1st, 2022. I only require 5 of these little hugs and you can be entered in to win one of my crochet project planners or one of my other planners on my website. These are really fun and easy to make, and they will be benefiting the hospice of the Calumet area in my region. If you would like to take part in this giveaway, just watch the video that I have linked down below and in the card up above with all of the details and the pattern for the hugs. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Check it out. I have a new Patreon tier for only $2 a month. Go to patreon.com/Crojo Corner. If you have trouble sleeping, check out my new channel, Soul Candy Cafe. Rain sounds and meditation music to help you sleep.